Okay, so today I am making some zucchini relish with the zucchinis that were given to me by a neighbor. Okay, I started last night by putting 10 cups of zucchini through the food processor along with 3 cups of onion and the equivalent of 3 bell peppers. I used sweet yellow banana peppers and 1 jalapeno pepper, all fresh from the garden. I added in 5 teaspoons of salt. I mixed that all together with the zucchini, onion, pepper, and then I set it on the counter overnight, approximately 10 hours. And then I rinsed it and drained it off, pushing as much water out of that mixture as possible. And now I just added the spices to it here. And then I will bring it up to a boil and let it simmer for about half an hour. So once this is boiled and simmered for a half an hour, I'll add it to my mason jars. And then I'll process the mason jars in a water bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, this recipe says it will do 5 or 6 500 milliliter jars. So I have 4 of the 500 and 2 of the 250. We'll see. I have lots more. And apple cider vinegar. And then I just used regular white refined sugar. And I will water bath this in the water bath canner here for about 20 minutes. Here's a gadget that makes things a lot easier. When you have your jars in the water bath canner and they're hot but they're ready to bring out, it's often quite hard to reach down in there and pick it up because it's still boiling hot temperatures. So this little guy, you can get this at most stores like Walmart, Canadian Tires. I've seen it at the dollar store even, and it's really handy. Just squeeze the top and you can pick that up, and you just pick it up and set it down. Handy item for mason jar canning is this funnel. It fits right in the top of the jar of a small mouth or a large mouth jar, and it makes things a lot easier. Another handy gadget is this here item. It has a magnet on the end, and when your seals are in the hot water, you can easily grab one out just like that and put it on top of your mason jar without burning your fingers. All right, so now I'm adding it into the jars, and then we'll water bath it. One more tip, to get the air bubbles out, I just use a wooden spoon and I poke that down around the edges of the jar just to get any air bubbles out. I'm leaving about 3/4 to 1/2 inch of headspace. I ended up with 5 500 milliliter mason jars and 1 250. I'll get the heated rings on now and get them water bath canned for about 20 minutes. Okay, I have about 1 inch of water over top of the jar. Not sure if you could see it there, but now I will process these. Here we are with our finished product. And that ping couldn't have happened at a better time. The less glorious part that most people don't share, doing the dishes afterwards. All finished. Please hit subscribe and follow along. Have a great day.